بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا أبي القاسم مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Imam Hussein's alayhi salam uprising signs to the unity. Yes, it's give a message to everybody. It's unity, very important, and we have to be understand specifically from the uprising of the Imam Hussein alayhi salam. We have to get a lot of message from this uprising, and we have to search and research to get the many points from that. This is our duty, and today ourselves we have to get these are messages from the Ashrah uprising, and comparative to our life, how much it's comparative from Imam Hussein's alayhi salam's time to these times, and how much we are come on with that times. It's very important, and we have with these points develop and improve our life. Duration that times many corruptions, many problems, many issues happened among the people, and the rulers they had a mistake to manage the people to get the very bad decisions, and with their decisions they happened and created the corruptions, divisions and differences among the people. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, he couldn't watch that and don't listen, don't advises the people. He has to be advise the people for any times, for any peoples. He has to be wake up those who are asleep in their life, and he has to be advise the people, guide them, and tell them you are going to the wrong way, and you must back to the right way. We have to make a lot of questions what they did and what we have to do today in our life, and we have to be carefully in our life to do the mistake same those who are did in their time in that times. This is very important. When we say Imam Hussein alayhi salam uprising, it's signs of the unity. That means it's not only look at to the Shia people or those who are they accepted Imam Hussein alayhi salam by the Imam and Walayat. No, everybody, even or specifically Ahl Sunnat also, they had joined with Imam Hussein with his uprising. This is very important. For example, Zuhair ibn Qayn, as we are telling today, Ahl Sunnat or Sunni, he was the originally Sunni, Zuhair ibn Qayn. But on the way, when Imam Hussein looked to the Zuhair ibn Qayn and he talked with Zuhair ibn Qayn, he changed his mind and he adopted to take decisions to join with Imam Hussein or not. After meeting with Imam Hussein alayhi salam, he has talked with his wife, and his wife told him, you must make a decision and join with Imam Hussein alayhi salam. And he could to get the best decisions, and he joined with Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Yes, it's possible, because that uprising is the not normal uprising, divine uprisings. Imam Hussein doing for save the people's life, to start it for make a unity among the people, not particularly and especially for Shia people. No, for everybody. Ahl Sunnah and Shia or other religions. As we told, when we say Islam, Muslim, that means we are talking for all the religions. He wanted to save everybody's life duration that time or in future or that country or for all the world. This is the way everybody can get the good message and take a best decision and go back to the right way. Now we are same to those who are they took the best decision and joined with Imam Hussein or not. We have to think. When we say the rulers and the peoples, they had a mistake and they had a lot of issues among themselves, what was their unpleasant traits what happens among the people regarding the money, regarding the power, regarding the position, regarding the job. We have to think. We have also same unpleasant traits in our life or not, and we should to find that and change our mind, change our life to get the best decision. And we have to make a capacity in our hearts and our mind to get the best advices from Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because when Imam Hussein alayhi salam met peoples on the way, he told them, من رأى منكم سلطانا جائرا مستحلا لحرم الله. When I looked to the corrupt rulers, and unfortunately they change the Islam rules and they change halal to haram, ناكثا بعهده مخالفا لسنة رسول الله يأمل في عباده بالعثم والعدوان فلم يقير ما عليه بقول ولا بفعل كان حقا على الله أن يدخله مدخلا. Moses say to the people, when I look to the corrupt rulers and they changed the Islamic rules, halal to harams, haram to halals, and made the mistake, and they make differences and divisions among the people, and they wanted to change the Sunnah Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I have to come, I have to give a best message to them, I have to advise them, I have to guide them, because I'm as a grandson of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I cannot close my eyes and silence to these are issues happened among the people. Why are you forget your duty and your regulations? Imam Hussein wanted to wake up the people, those who had closed their eyes, and wanted to save their life and to bring the unity among the people. What are you doing like that? You are as a Muslim, you have to make a unity and growing and developing the Islamic way. Why are you just thinking about yourself? What are you thinking about your positions? What are you thinking about your money? You have to take the right way. What are you change your way and going to the wrong way? This is the message of the Imam Hussein alayhi salam uprising to the people. You have to review your roles and regulations in your life and back to the right way and make a unity and come together and develop Islam and your life and your futures in this world or other worlds in Akhirah. What are you looking to this world only? You have to be carefully. But unfortunately, those who are accepted, and they join with Imam Hussein, as I mentioned, to like Zuhair ibn Qayn, Hor, and some others, or some of were not accepted to join with Imam Hussein and against Imam Hussein, and they couldn't to get the best decisions. This is the point of the Imam Hussein alayhi salam's uprising, and we have to review, we have to compare it. If these are to our life, we have to get these are messages, these are points to develop our life, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.